A budget projector with all the bells and whistles of the fancy, very expensive ones. Yes, indeed, it is the BL98, and it is a goodie. How do I know? It's written on the box. However, that is the name of the company, and I do invite you to stick around for a brief look at the BL98 right after this intro. Goody claims this projector to be an audio-visual feast. Well, I'm hungry, so let's roll over a few of the specs, shall we? Native 1080p, so images should be clear at either 35 or 200 inches, at 16.9 or 4.3 aspect ratio. They go further to claim this projector is brighter than most projectors on the market, so you can even view in some low light conditions. Wow, if that's true, bright LED bulb lasts up to 50,000 hours? Wow. Straight out of the box, you're going to notice it looks great with a honeycomb style body and removable lens cap. You may have to use the focus slider to detach the cap like I'm doing here. And in the box you'll find HDMI cord, AV and power cords, the manual and warranty, plus a wireless remote control. Let's just say you lost that remote or your dog eats it. That's okay, because the Goody added a backlit LED touch control that will breeze you through the menu settings and input selects. On the bottom projector we have this silly thumb screw to tilt it up. I say silly because the last model had a push button, that one that slid down and up when you needed it. I guess they assume we all will buy a hanger for the ceiling to hang it, which the screws do come with it in the box if you go that route, but not me, I like to move it around once in a while. There's also a dust catcher there, made easy to clean. On the back of the chassis we have a whole plethora of inputs. It's almost like you're seeing double. 2 times USB slots for flash drive media or Fire Stick power. SD card slot, 2 times HDMI slots, so the possibilities are endless. TV box, laptops, tablets, smartphones, depending on if you own a Type-C to HDMI adapter or not. PS3, Xbox, PS4, etc. Basically, if it's got an HDMI, it's going to work. You got a micro SD card, it's going to work. Got a USB, it's going to work. This projector has a built-in stereo sounding speaker, but if you wish, there are 2 times 3.5mm jacks on the back. One is input and the other is for headphones or maybe a portable speaker, if you wish. If you're like me, you're thinking, take it for a spin already. Yeah. I wanted to test my reinvented HP computer with a GTX 750 Ti 2GB to play some Apex, as Mondo Duke my character name. And the BL98 projector nor the 750 Ti let me down. It was a frickin' blast. But how did this handle the outdoors with my main rig lighting up the night? Not too shabby. We even watched a movie, the picture looked that great. This concludes my Goody projector review, and if you have any interest, please do look for the link in the description. Thank you.